If you press L once, then the playhead would move at the normal speed. Now, if you press L again, you could increase the playhead's speed. You could keep pressing L to increase the speed. Then you could press K to pause, and then if you would press J, the playhead would play backward. And similarly, you could keep pressing J to increase the backward speed. And then once again, press K to pause. You could press Shift plus L to play the playhead at a slow motion. And similarly, you could press Shift plus J to reverse slow motion. Tip: when you're increasing the playhead speed by pressing L multiple times, you could incrementally reduce its speed by pressing J, and if you would keep pressing J, it would start to move backwards without stopping. These shortcut keys together is called JKL Controls, and its purpose is to quickly edit by moving to different parts of the timeline without using the mouse.